Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are repairing a Mercedes, I think it's a C-Class, yeah. As you can see, it's a little bit rotivated through the bumper and into the wing there. I've just put out a tape bag so I'm about to sand it. I don't want to sand no further than that. Can we make it nice again? I think we can. Yeah, I think the old boy that owns this went to Merck's and got a silly quote, and I think it was like probably quadruple what I quoted to repair this. So yeah, let's get cracking. Let's make this look nice. Right, we're all bagged up, we're all prepped out. All I've done after I was using the DA was just went over a little bit of 500 soft pad around the edges and we masked it all off. So I've got the wing bit masked off now because I'm going to put some epoxy over that, and then we'll just lift that up and then we'll put some plastic primer over the bumper. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. I've knocked up some primer. We're going to use some 2K high build on this one. So yeah, let's get some epoxy over there, let's get some plastic primer over there, and then we can put normal primer over the lot of it. for paint. We're going with some creative blends here. Someone's painted this corner before, and up this top section is where their blend is, and I can see it and it's gone over, and I don't want to get involved with that, and I don't want to obviously get the blame for that. So I'm going to keep my sort of blends over here away from the other people, and we're blending down the wing on the swage line there. I'm not doing the full wing, it don't need it, I've got plenty of room there, so we should be good. Yeah, right, paint's knocked up. I already had some of this left in stock, which was handy, in solvent, so we're doing it in ICI. Just going to go and get a gun, get some gloves on and tack rag, final walk clean down and we're good. Some clear on this thing. Man's even got a paint suit on. I don't think I'm a 3XL anymore. I've lost a bit of weight. This is huge. I'm just trying everything I can to try and get cleaning jobs in here. Let's see if a paint suit makes a difference. Let's go, round two. Well, it's better with a suit on, but it's not mint. There's still some chunks in it. We've got some polishing to do regardless because of all the blends, but yeah, it's not bad at all, to be fair. It'll do. Right, I'm gonna unbag this, start flat and polishing. See you in a mo. She's done. Looking sweet. It sounds like, I was trying to say, sounds like it's piddling down outside before the camera died. That is officially jobbed. I'm sure the customer will be over the moon with that. Gonna go and give him a call, and then it's home time. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and if you want to learn to do that, we now do training. I'll leave a link in the description if you don't already know. Lots of you already know, and you can come and learn to do that with me. So yeah, as always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.